American entrepreneurs are always looking for what we call the gravy train. You know, entrepreneurs are always looking for the gravy train, that easy money. And so if you think about, you know, yogurt companies, when yogurt companies came in, they were on every corner, right? Because people were buying it. It's almost like a gravy train. And then all of a sudden, you know, they all go out of business because only a couple of them can really make it. Cannabis shops. Like there's this gravy train to make a ton of money fast. You see them on every corner. And so American entrepreneurship kind of works that way. SEOs, when they see a gravy train or a way to do something quickly and fast and help a company make money, that's obviously going to make that customer money. They're going to keep buying from you. That's what I call a gravy train. So you have to look for some of these. These will always happen. These gravy train ideas, you see businesses, industries that pop in and pop out. It's just quick, fast success. You see serial entrepreneurs make tons and tons of money that way.